everyone. Hope all are doing good at home. Welcome. So this is the first session of science. So I think all of you did not buy your textbooks. So till you buy your textbooks, you have to know what are the lessons you have in 7th class science. So first I will tell you what are the lessons you have in 7th class. So these lessons are continuation of your 6th class science only. So majority, most of your topics are covered in 6th class. Though the elaborating those 6th class topics are discussed in detail, but with addition of some more new topics. So you have now I will tell you what are the lessons you will have in 7th class science. Then we can start the lesson from next session. So the first lesson in 7th class science is food components. So in 6th class the first lesson is our food. So you know what you learned in our food. So the things which are in 6th class are in detail in your 7th class. So second is acids and bases. So I think this is the new topic for you. So we will do acids and bases as second lesson. Third is animal fiber. So you already studied fiber to fabric. So there you have seen different types of fabrics that are available. Here in this 7th class you will see animal fiber. How and fiber you are getting from animals, how it is converted into fabric, that all we will see in third lesson. Fourth is motion and time. So this is related to time, speed, all those. So that we will see in fourth lesson. Fifth is heat measurement. So you already know things to measure, like learn how to measure, that you have seen in 6th class. Here heat, how heat is measured, how temperature is known, that we will see in fifth lesson. Sixth is weather and climate. So you know what is weather and climate, difference between weather and climate, how weather is changing, how climate is changing. So what are things that are influencing the weather and climate, we will see in 6th lesson. Seventh is electricity. So you know what is electricity. We have seen simple circuits in 6th lesson. So here in 6th class we have seen only simple circuits. Here electricity as a whole we will learn. Eighth is air, winds and cyclones. Ninth is reflection of light. So the reflection of light you studied as shadows and images, but here how light is reflected, what are the different types of mirrors, lens you have, that we will see in 9th lesson. 10th 11th 12th is related to the life processes, like plants eat, plants breathe, plants reproduce, or animals reproduce, animals eat. So those all life processes are dealt here. So 10th is nutrition in plants, how plants are getting food. 11th is how animals and plants respire, inhale air and exhale air. 12th is reproduction in plants, how one plant is giving birth to other plant, or from how one plant the other plant is growing, that all we will see in 12th. 13th is seed dispersal. So you all know, if we keep seed in the soil, so that can grow into plant, that grows into tree. Here in 13th lesson, how seeds are forming in plants, how seeds are germinating, we will see here. 14th is water. So water in our life you have studied in 6th class. So here what are other uses of water, that all we will see. 15th is soil. So how soil is helpful for our life, how forests are helpful, so that we will see in 15th and 16th lesson. 17th is changes around us. So you already studied some changes in 6th class. So in detail of the 6th class lesson you will have in 17th lesson. So you all saw what are the different lessons you have in 7th class science. So all of you take one notebook, new notebook, keep it as a science book. And write these all lesson names as an index in your first page of your notebook. So from next session we will start the lesson. So today's homework is writing the index in your note. So whatever work I am giving, do it in the same book. Don't keep separate books, separate class work and homework. Okay, so this is the work for today. So from next session I will start the lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.